Hello friends, the title of the video is Why did Britishers introduce modern English education in India? Before the Britishers in India, we had our own education system known as Gurukul and Madrasa. In this education system, the traditional subjects like language, logics were taught mostly. The Britishers had introduced modern English education in India. The motive behind the introduction of English education in India were manifold. The first motive was to get the English educated Indians to help to run the British administration in India. Mostly, these English educated Indians work in the lower rung or level of the British administration. The second motive was that the Christian missionaries believed that modern English education would destroy the faith of Indian people in their religion, that is Hinduism. As Indian people lose faith in their religion, they would adopt the Christianity. For this, a humble beginning was made through the Charter Act of 1813. Through the Charter Act of 1813, money was allocated for classical education and the science. The third motive behind the education policy of British sprang from the belief that educated Indians would help to expand the market for British manufacturers in India. Lastly, the Western education was expected to reconcile the people of India to British rule, as it glorified the British conquerors of India and their administration. To conclude, though Britishers had introduced modern English education for their own benefit, it helped to develop the political consciousness among the Indians. Thank you for watching my video.